we'll be talking about the Webex Agentic Central Service, which is basically the backbone of the entire agentic platform and how it is interacting with the agency directory service and the agency identity service. So the Webex Agent Central Services provide all the governance and the discoverability for the MCP servers, and in future it will be for A2A also. So let's start with the developer portal. Once the all the information and the metadata is entered, it interacts with the agent central services, and which interacts with the agency directory service to store all that information about the MCP server. Now, once the app review comes, it checks and validates all this information in the agency directory service, and based on that assigns a badge to that particular MCP server. So that badge is now stored in the agency identity service, and based on the checks that particular badge is assigned. So we have four different types of badges. One is like Cisco onboarded, developer partner onboarded, federated through external registries, or it's Cisco onboarded. So the whatever batch is assigned, then this information is sent back to the agent central services. And once the app interacts with the agent central services, it looks for all this metadata and checks the batch, and then the app is or the MCP server is published on the app. Similarly, the client SDK and the control hub also interacts with the agency directory service and the agency identity service using the Webex Agent Central Service. So Webex Agent Central Services uses or leverages the agency registry to register an MCP server, validate that MCP server, and discoverability of that MCP server. That's all for now. Thank you.